Here's how Roberto Firmino scored his goal against Wolves, guys. So Salah was somewhere here, and he was really trying to find his way, playing around, trying to find his way with the ball. Suddenly, he saw that Henderson was just behind him, so he passed the ball to Henderson, and by that time, Firmino was running across. Defender was beside him on this side. But once he got the ball, he hit it with his right foot. It was high enough, goalkeeper couldn't catch it, only straight in the corner. And it's 2-1 to Liverpool. Thank you.